Are you tired of fighting? Does it feel like all you ever do is argue? Does every decision turn into a yelling match? What if you could actually be heard? What if you could actually agree? And what if you could actually resolve a conflict? You can, and I can show you how. Coming up. Hey guys, my name's Curtis Riley, aka Preach from The Real Rileys. Our goal is to give you real advice for real life. And trust me, I've made plenty of mistakes for you to learn from. And we are one family with multiple channels. We've got a channel on faith, on ministry, on how-tos, and online business, so check them out. But the purpose of this channel is to discuss real commitment, real connection, and real conflict. But we also offer online courses, coaching, and more. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That lets YouTube know that you're enjoying it. And as a free gift for stopping by, we want to hook you up with our free PDF and mini course called the Conflict Resolution Rules that'll teach you how to stop arguing as much. Just go to therealrileys.com. Now let's get into it. Now to be completely honest, I was never able to fully do this in my own marriage. I made a ton of mistakes, but I learned from them. These concepts are a combination of the things that I've learned from pastors, from books, from counselors, and conferences. Now, I've told you how you can get the conflict resolution rules, but for now, we're gonna focus on what you should actually say during a conflict. And I can dig into each one of these topics more if you want, so make sure to let me know what questions you have in the comments below. Here's 15 things that'll help you. Number 15 is use the conflict rules. These are guidelines of how you communicate and kind of rules so that you can fight fair. Number 14 is to pray. Take some time and invite God into the conversation and into the conflict that you're having. Number 13 is to let it go. What do I mean by that? I mean, this might be a conversation that you don't even need to have. If it's not a huge deal, just let it go. Number 12 is to go face to face. No texting. It's so easy to take a text out of context or read something into it that really wasn't meant to be there. Number 11 is ask permission. I mean, go to your spouse and say, hey, is now a good time to talk to you? Do you mind if I talk to you about whatever it is? Number 10 is put your phones down. You want to be looking eye to eye as you're having a conversation. If you're staring at your phone, that automatically tells the other person that you're not really interested and you really don't care. Number 9 is to use I statements. Instead of saying, you did this, your goal is to say, I feel like this. For example, I feel like I'm not important to you when you don't want to spend any time with me. Hey, can I stop you right there? And will you take just a minute to like this video and subscribe to our channel, especially if you're getting value out of this? It helps us to make more content just like it. Number 8 is to focus on the facts instead of the motives. What you need to focus on is what actually happened. Here's the facts, here's what happened, not here's why you did it. You did it because of this. We don't know why someone is doing something. What we know is the fact of what happened. Number 7 is to focus on the problem instead of the person. So you're trying to say, hey, here's the problem, here's what's going on, instead of saying, you're the problem, here's what's wrong with you. Number 6 is to really listen. And to listen, to actively listen, what you want to do is you want to repeat back what you've heard. That way you know you've listened and they know that you've listened and they've been heard. Number 5 is to apologize if needed. Say what you did. Say, I'm sorry and I was wrong for doing that. Ask them to forgive you for doing that and then change or repent. Now that doesn't mean it'll never happen again, but it means you're gonna try your best to change. And hey, if you find yourself arguing and fighting all the time, check out our online course called the Conflict Crusher, where I'll go through the conflict resolution rules, explain how to apply them into your real life situation and your real life arguments. Number 4 is to forgive. Just say out loud, I forgive you for whatever it is. That way you free them from what they've done and you forgive them for it. Plus you're not holding on to it yourself and getting bitter. Just make sure that you don't bring it back up again if you've really forgiven someone. Number 3 is to look for a win-win. That means you want to have both people saying, hey, I like this idea, I like this idea, I like this resolution. We've come to an agreement. We found something that works for both of us. Because remember, the goal in marriage is oneness. We want to agree. Number 2 is bring a third party. If you've gone through all of these things and you're still struggling, you might need to bring in a trusted friend or a trusted family member that is kind of neutral in the situation or can be neutral and say, hey, we need some help working through this conflict. And then number 1, if you still can't resolve it, you might need to get some counseling. You might need to go talk to a pastor, or you might need to talk to a coach. If you don't have anyone to talk to, I would love to be that person for you. Just sign up for a coaching session below or go to therealrileys.com. Now it's time to get real. And be honest, which one of these 15 things is going to be the hardest thing for you to do? They're all pretty hard, but what's going to be the hardest for you? And if you have more questions, check out one of our online community where you can ask, you can be encouraged, and you can be a part of our live Q&As. Make sure to check out some of our other videos like what you should do before you get divorced, or even another channel like how to study the Bible. Man, I hope this video is just the first step that helps you start to resolve your conflicts in a peaceful way. But until next time, keep it real.